Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock a hidden Canva set that called Cozy Christmas Illustrations Pack. It's a super cute collection of festive icons that perfect for holiday designs. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Canva and then just open any designs that you like and then just tap on elements. Just type this code and hit enter and okay like this. The entire hidden collections will show up instantly like this. This pack includes a adorable Christmas goodie like maybe stockings, cupcakes, snow globes, and trees, Christmas trees, and even it has cute characters. This one, it's so cute. This elements is perfect for maybe Christmas social media posts, Christmas greeting card, poster, or maybe cute stickers. Just try it out and okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.